Want to refine your image by removing a cutout or unwanted section? Here's how to do it in BeFunky. First, open your image in the BeFunky editor. Select the cutout tool from the left toolbar. Remember, this feature is only available to the premium users. Now click on the remove option at the top of the editing workspace. This tool will allow you to erase specific parts of your image that you no longer want. Use the brush tool to paint over the area you want to remove. You can adjust the size of the brush for precision. Once you have finished, click apply to finalize the changes. This is perfect for cleaning up photos with irregular edges or areas you don't need. Have you ever used the cutout tool? What's the most challenging part of removing unwanted areas? Share your thoughts below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.